Hi, my name is Franklin Amo. I'm the founder and the managing partner of Baylis Emerging Markets. Baylis is a firm focused on providing growth capital to companies and projects advancing Africa's industrialization. Our firm was built on the premise that Africa's underindustrialization, characterized chiefly by a low manufacturing share of GDP and a small share of digital connections across its population and institutions, is the root cause of Africa's most interminable challenges. Africa's demographic trajectory over the next several decades will deliver a youthful population approaching at least 2 billion by 2050. Between now and then, 1 in every 4 children born on Earth will be African. This dynamic creates fertile opportunity to industrialize the continent successfully and profitably. The challenge is converting that demographic growth into harvestable investor returns. The lack of available investment capital, despite Africa being one of the few broad investment theses that has the potential to absorb risk capital at tremendous scale, is a key catalyst and rationale for why we're investing right now. Our main challenge is to structure investable opportunities that convert this demographic force into financial returns for investors. As such, demonstrating that risk-adjusted absolute returns can be achieved in African markets offers multiplicative impact. In Africa, the lack of financial leverage available to companies and projects means that value is created principally through old-fashioned operational improvements and, above all, disciplined unit cost optimization. Applying proven traditional business management techniques, such as migrating from batch to continuous manufacturing processes and using data-driven planning to deploy mobile tower networks and other digital infrastructure for mobile operators, can help deliver meaningful absolute returns. Baylis applies a rigorous, hands-on, and operational interventionist approach to investment management, employing industry experts and operational veterans as core members of our team throughout the investment process. Manufacturing and the digital economy are the core twin pillars to driving modern industrialization. In today's world, manufacturing requires efficient and expansive digital connectivity into the global community. Manufacturing remains humanity's most effective tool to move large numbers of people out of poverty quickly and ensure the emergence of minimum living standards. This requires advanced digital and physical infrastructure, but it can also support the economic sustainability of critical fundamental infrastructure. It can upgrade human capital quality at scale, and manufacturing can underwrite the long-term viability of educational and healthcare systems. The digital economy can more equitably distribute the benefits of that industrial development across populations and offers democratized access to information and opportunity. Contributing to the benefits of these twin pillars of industrialization will promote the transfer of technology and innovation to create dignified gender-balanced jobs and have the net effect of both limiting migration from the African continent and reducing the probability of societal instability and fragility. In tandem, investment in this area offers the opportunity to acquire companies and projects at modest and defensive valuations. We often see entry valuations in the range of 3 to 7 times EBITDA. Very attractive multiples when you consider the growth on the back of that. This brings us to the bottom line, the Baylis thesis. Here at Baylis, we seek to deliver an outsized financial return for our stakeholders by investing in this inevitability of a trend. We want to create lasting impact through dignified gender-balanced jobs that we create across Africa and by encouraging an environmentally sustainable approach to Africa's industrialization. We promote technological transfer to the continent by financing the twin pillars of Africa's industrial development and ultimately want to increase Africa's share of global trade and deliver risk-adjusted absolute return for our investors in doing so. As sector specialists, Baylis's Africa Industrial and Telecom Growth Fund, AITGF, focuses on finding alpha by financing Africa's industrialization, both in overlooked industrial and manufacturing sectors, as well as in high-growth telecom and digital infrastructure projects. For a diversified approach that targets uncorrelated superior financial and social impact returns. AITGF's growth capital strategy combines old-world industrial opportunities with next-generation telecom investments to create a well-balanced portfolio of high-quality assets. We apply sharply interventionist investment management techniques, as well as proven private equity principles, to focus on operational improvement and exits to strategics through recapitalizations and potential listings. All of that overlaid with an ESG impact framework, which we believe delivers value to both investors and the people of the continent. We hope you'll join us on our journey. Thanks so much.